Unit 4 Test A, Track 16. Read the two questions. Listen to the announcement and answer them.
Can I have your attention, please? We have a report of a young girl missing in the shopping mall. Her name is Jenny Green. She is 8 years old. She has straight black hair and brown eyes. She is wearing a blue shirt and white trousers with black trainers and socks. So that's a missing child called Jenny Green. She's 8 with straight black hair, brown eyes. She has a blue shirt, white trousers, black trainers and black socks.